Flavored simple syrup is so easy to make and is perfect for cocktails, iced coffee, or adding to your favorite dessert. To make a classic simple syrup, simply combine 1 cup of white sugar with 1 cup of water over medium-high heat. Stir it all together until the sugar dissolves and then allow it to come up to a boil. Now if you just want a versatile syrup that you can use for pretty much anything, remove it from the heat and store in an airtight container in the fridge for up to a week. But if you're continuing on with the flavored syrup, turn down the heat to medium-low and then add your flavorings. These can be fruit, spices, or vegetables, though I'm not really sure why you would use vegetables. I went with some ginger, blueberries, and a lemon. Then once those are all added, just let it steep in the sugar for a couple minutes. And for the blueberries, what I did was I used a potato masher to squish them down a little bit to release some of the juices. Then just strain everything through a sieve, or if you want it super smooth, strain it through a coffee filter or a cheesecloth, and then store it in the fridge in an airtight container for up to about 4 days. So this is perfect for cocktails or iced coffee, or just do what I did and make your own flavored soda. Click on one of these other great videos and subscribe for more amazing recipes.